Okay, well, I just wanted to do a book talk on this book. It's about like these people who like have really bad lives and like their parents die in a fire and they have to live with these two like really annoying nasty boys and like you don't like they don't know what to do and if they did then like I don't know that but their fortune is stolen or it's trying to be stolen until Violet is of age. Violet's the girl and then the boy's name is Jack, and the little girl's name is Sunny. And so basically, when like it's called the Bad Beginning of a Series of Unfortunate Events. It's by Lemony Snicket. And then they have to have cold porridge for breakfast and itchy clothing and bad clothing and everything and when they first come into the house, it's like they like are just like sitting there, and the house is all dirty and gross, and it's all bent to the side and everything. And then the house like right next to them is really really nice and stuff, but they don't know like if they should they don't know if they should go tell the lady that he's being completely mean and making Violet marry him. So just yeah, and their parents burn in a fire, and the kids' names are Violet, Jack, and Sunny, and they're at the beach, and that Violet almost throws a rock because Violet's always thinking about inventions. Oh, and earlier I hit my eye. You see how it's all black? Yeah, my book is like so awesome. It's called A Series of Unfortunate Events, book the first by Lemony Snicket. Bye! I'm done. My book is over.